What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are taking out the four-wheel drive buggy and the two-wheel drive short course over to Critters for their mid-season trophy race. Little one-day championship race, battling it out for some trophies. We got, like I said, two-wheel short course, four-wheel drive buggy. That's what I have going on for me right now as I'm slowly preparing all the 8th scale stuff behind me for Motorama. So last race before Motorama, fingers crossed, we were practicing on Monday. We had some issues with some of the cars that hopefully we can get figured out, and fingers crossed that it's a good day. Enjoy the video, guys. I'll pull you back in at the end.
We got Donnie in the 2, Aaron. Check up in the 3. Work together. Doesn't work that way. Little Ruben's in that pump. Donnie's saying, I'm coming for you, baby. Don't yell at the marshals. Marshals didn't crash. Ricky came all the way from the bench to help you guys out. Look at that. Thank you, Ricky. Row lap number 2, they're putting the laps on the field. 1 by 1. Row is checking early. We got Row, we got Don, it looks like we got Aaron. Joe moves up to the 4. We already got a lap on flag. Oh! Ow! That hurt. He's like, I'm done. He's like, I ain't enough of this. Alright, we got this is a hell of a race. Go down here. Team Offroad, we got those people. Oh, Donnie. Poor Donnie.
3 minutes left.
2 down, 3 to go. We got one. We got down, we got out, we got to go, we got out. Track pulled off. He's out enough for this track. Coming to the halfway point. Coming to the halfway point. That is your leader. Don't take out the leader. That's the leader, Joe. I'll jump up to the 2 spot. Down in the 3, Joe and Down. You ready? You go. There's not much going on here. Everybody on their own lap, doing their own thing. Good, Aaron. Got a minute and a half, minute and a half. Donnie's out. Coming up on the ring.
1 minute left.
About 20 seconds. There's nothing going on. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. This is not an exciting race. I wish I could have made it a little bit more exciting, but I think going more raffle tickets is more exciting. Got about 5 seconds to go. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2. I think we're ready to control right here. You're done, bro. When you guys cross, you should be done. Now for the 5. Great job, guys. Great job. Great start. Excellent. No wonder you guys race together like that. You guys all know how to race together. So I can't owe you. Bye. We got front to the point. I see Jack in the 2. Here comes Tanner. Captain Kirk, Aaron, and Joe all good to be coming that first time. In the top spot for Aaron. We got Brian, Captain America. Here comes Sam. Oh, Kirk got held up. Kirk, Joe, and Aaron all right behind right now.
Five minutes left.
You got to put it down. 5 to go. See somebody there. We're racing right now. If anybody cares. If you cared, you would see our race. Oh, Frank Watson, great Frank. Captain America's right there.
And we're back in. It was a long, kind of annoying day. Can't seem to shake the gremlins. Today, even more so than kind of anything that was under my control. Transponder for four-wheel drive, again, really wasn't reading. Got sent over to the D main. Had to battle it out with Roel. Normally an announcer over at Critters during the week. And had nothing for him. Finished second. So that was that. Luckily, I had the version 2 part of the front diff case that I had to throw in this car. Unfortunately, from the last wreck, I noticed it kind of last minute. After fixing a bunch of stuff, new servo, everything else, the car was completely polar opposite of what I was used to running. Basically, by the time we slapped that in there, it changed the angle of everything, so I had to reset up ride heights, everything else. So it was just, battling almost a slightly different setup than what I was used to. And also, my raw speed tires still breaking in. Started coming around near the main, so that started coming around nicely. I don't really like to burn them in too much or anything like that with the slicks because I want the tires to last as much as possible. So I like slowly breaking them in and getting the longevity actually out of the wear of the tire. So unfortunately, just had to salvage with what I got. My servo was all messed up. The diff case ended up being cracked, so we changed that out. We changed everything, so super difficult day with that class alone. And for two-wheel drive short course, or lack there footage of, there's just, we did a new idler gear for the transmission. I put in a gear diff because the diff broke. I don't understand what's going on still right now. I have no idea what's going on with the car. I literally had every single heat. I had the entire transmission, diff, everything apart. I'm just constantly looking over everything, and I couldn't even figure out a problem. But basically, right as we finally got into the main, starting in last because we literally DNF'd both heats. But there was only a select few of us in the class, so we were still an A main group. And gave it all I had. The car was working really well like the first 2 or 3 laps, and then the second I had to brake check in the air, it was just started binding up again. I don't really know what's going on with it. I hit the brake, tapped in the air and landed, and every time I would hit the throttle, full throttle to get moving again, it would kind of shudder and shake, almost as if the body was grabbing the tires. As you could see, we were obviously running the practice bodies. We were messing around with some settings and stuff like that, so the holes were already pre-drilled for that, so that's why I'm not in my normal black and gold scheme. But long story short, just a complete struggle of a day. We're more focused on the Motorama right now. I wanted to get out there and try running one more time before, so that way I could just stay fresh and keep the hand-eye coordination in check. But unfortunately, there's really not much you can do. We got to take apart the whole two-wheel drive. I'm probably going to end up just checking over everything again. I really have no idea what is going on there. We stripped out several gears in the transmission, stuff like that. So everything's fresh in there, fresh diff, fresh everything. I don't know why. It could be a motor problem. We have no idea. But obviously, DNF for me there. Wasn't worth me damaging the car more. I've been struggling with that problem all day. So nothing too eventful, guys. I just wanted to at least make one last race video before heading over to Motorama for you guys. So unfortunately, this is the footage I have. So sorry, nothing super exciting or a nice trophy to bring home. But hopefully things turn around for Motorama. So as always, guys, thank you. Like the video, subscribe, keep growing. That's the goal here, and I appreciate all of you for watching. I'll catch you guys. If I don't make any more tutorials, then I'll see you guys at Motorama. Peace.